3441 Stephanie Lane, located in Ridgewood Estates in beautiful Ellenton, Florida. This home has a huge carport, double wide, that you can fit 4 cars into. It also has a large shed or workshop area. The home has a beautiful front door. Enter in here to the kitchen, light and bright, with a breakfast nook. Laundry is located off the kitchen here, as well as a very large lanai. This is a perimeter lot home, so you have no backdoor neighbors. Open concept here for the dining room and living room area. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with a split floor plan concept. This is the master. And it has a large master bathroom with a walk-in shower. Across from the living room is the 2 guest bedrooms and bath. This is guest bedroom number 1. Right next door, guest bedroom number 2. And then the guest bathroom. This home has 1,766 square feet, and it's a newer home, a 2003 Palm Harbor. If you want to see this house, please give us a call at 941-345-5583 or visit us on the web at www.integrity-fl.com.